So hello guys, how are you doing? I am hoping that you are all safe in your homes and preparing well for your upcoming exams. So today I would be discussing a maths problem, and I was a bit stunned when I saw this in a class 10th question paper. It's a good problem, good for basics. Okay, if you are in early 11th or late 10th, it's a good problem for you. So the problem was here that like this. So find the value of x, and some range was given. For example, x belongs to say 0 to pi. It could be anything. So basically we have to find out the value of x for which this satisfies. So it looks like a Diophantine equation where you have like two variables and just one equation. So it seems that it is seemingly impossible to solve this question. It may seem like that, but here if we utilize the concept that what is the range of a cos x plus b sin x, or the other way around. So I would be discussing on this basically. Also there's a straightforward method to do this. I would also be highlighting that. तो a cos x plus b sin x का रेंज चाहिए हम लोगों को. So basically the idea behind the problem is that you convert it into some k cos phi, right, or say k sin phi. Sin phi would be more beneficial, and we know that this term will lie between plus 1 and minus 1, so this whole would lie between plus k and minus k, right? What if we write like sine of phi plus some xi, okay, या फिर psi plus delta लिख लेते. So basically this would be k sin phi cos delta plus k cos phi sin delta. Now you k sin phi cos delta could be anything, so it could possibly be x, and I am actually trying to compare these two equations so that I could get something out of it. K cos phi sin x. So as we see that a would be here k sin phi and b would essentially be k cos phi. Also a square plus b square equals to k square. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to 1, right? So what's next? Okay, so we have got this. So k would be essentially this thing. So if we replace k here, k would be right here, and so this whole term would be now as sine something would be between minus 1 and plus 1, k sin something would be between plus k and minus k, and k is essentially root under a square plus b square. So if a is equal to b is equal to 1, sin x plus cos x is basically between root 2 and minus root 2. So just keep this in mind, and let's go ahead in the question. So this is basically the LHS. What about the RHS? It's like this, right? If we apply the AMGM inequality here, it would be like y plus 1 by y is greater than equal to 2 root under y into 1 plus 1. So root over this would be like this. So this would be greater than equal to root 2. So if we take the intersection of these two, because LHS is always less than equal to root 2 and RHS is always greater than equal to root 2, the only value that is satisfying this is root 2. Sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2. And when this will happen, it would happen essentially at x equals to pi by 4. This is the potential solution to this problem. The next thing that you could have done the other way around is that not go into such details and stuff and do straightforward. You multiply and divide by root 2. Actually it is essentially doing the same thing. So root 2 sine of x plus pi by 4. Again same stuff, this will always be less than equal to root 2, this will always be greater than equal to root 2. So the only value that satisfies is root 2. This is cancelled out. So this would be 1. So x plus pi by 4 would essentially be equal to pi by 2 in this range. If range अगर अलग होता है तो फिर आंसर भी आपका अलग होगा. So x is essentially pi by 4. So this was a short simple question on a trigonometry, and I was a bit stunned when I saw this on a class 10th paper, because class 10th के बच्चों के लिए थोड़ा तो tough है ये, but still this was to revise the concept of a cos x plus b sin x. And also don't get scared if you get such type of stuff, because ये वाला problem बहुत easy होता है, बहुत मतलब case घट जाता है और easily हो जाता है ये सब. Okay, और it was kind of intuitive कि this would have been the only solution, right? So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to it. और अगर आप पहले चैनल पे आए हो तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर मत करना मत भूलना. कमेंट कीजिए अगर आपको कोई सा भी डाउट हो. एंड मिलते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एज आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट वीकली मैं 1-2 वीडियोस लाता रहूँगा इन दिस चैनल. ओके, सो बाय बाय, स्टे सेफ इन योर होम्स, पीस आउट.